Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix your iPhone if it's stuck on white screen. Okay guys, so basically when you try to download or install new software update on your iPhone, then this problem will appear here. Okay guys, so basically it's appear in iPhone 13 Pro Max or iPhone 13. Okay guys, and if you want to get rid of this problem, so you have to force restart your device. If you have an iPhone 8 or later model, then you have to press the volume up button and quickly release this one, and then you have to press the volume down button and quickly release it, and then you have to press the side button until the Apple logo appears. So you have to force restart your device, and after that maybe your problem will be fixed. And if the power supply is there, then you have to connect your device with the computer or Mac, and you have to recover your device, or you have to fix your problem by using iTunes. Okay guys, you have to select your device to the recovery mode, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.